something gone that should be there. And oh my brother, I think it's fair and safe to say there's a lack of respect, so commit to yourself. Try to love each and every day. So sad to know a face, then to see that face make a change. One last step for me, one last thought for me, one last sight through the kicked up dust. Fill me, this is not only a question, but a real life timely observation. How do people counter other people when their people hang out with their people? The fresh air's good for settling down. The confusion explains how no one was around and sees my anger. It's not what's done, but what's ahead. It's not automatic grace. See yourself falling away, yeah. This is not only a question, but a real life timely observation. How do people counter other people when their people hang out with their people? Let's not fight for what we love. Try and love the things we fight. Make amends and burn a bridge. It's good to love, it's good to love. Let's not fight for what we love. Try and love the things we fight. Make amends and burn a bridge, yeah. This is not only a question, but a real life timely observation. How do people counter other people when their people hang out with their people? Whoa, whoa. This is not only a question, but a real life timely observation. How do people counter other people when their people hang out with their people?